Anti-detect browsers serve as powerful tools for privacy advocates, allowing users to mask their digital footprints and navigate the web with enhanced anonymity. These browsers can spoof your device's fingerprint, making it challenging for websites to track your behavior. This is crucial in a world where data collection is rampant. However, while they offer significant advantages, there are defects to consider. Many anti-detect browsers can be resource-intensive, slowing down your browsing experience. Additionally, some may compromise security by relying on questionable proxies or outdated encryption methods. It's essential to choose a reputable anti-detect browser that balances privacy with performance. Ultimately, while they can be a shield against invasive tracking, users must remain vigilant about their overall online security.
Welcome to Abdullah 786 Universal Data World. Discover how GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. Easily manage multiple profiles securely. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips.
Managing multiple online accounts can be a real headache, but GoLogin makes it a breeze. This browser is designed specifically for multi-accounting, allowing you to switch between profiles effortlessly while keeping everything organized and secure. Whether you're juggling social media, business tasks, or personal projects, GoLogin has your back. I've found it invaluable for separating my work profiles, ensuring everything stays safe and efficient. If you're serious about multitasking, GoLogin is definitely worth checking out.